Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to fix Discord notification problem. So let's jump right into it. First, let's go ahead and open Discord. From here, tap on the three lines on the top left corner, tap on the profile picture on the bottom right. In this menu, scroll down slowly until you find notifications, tap on it. Make sure that you have all of these turned on, just like I'm doing right here. Once you do that, quit the application and then go to your settings. Now from your settings, scroll down and go to apps. Go to your app manager and then search for Discord. Once you find it, go ahead and go to storage, clear cache, and then quit from there. Go to your notification, make sure that all of these are toggled on, and this should solve your problem. And this is how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future solutions to such problems, and thanks for watching.